It is officially moving day.
Giving yourself a quick blow wave. Feel a bit better.
Fenton and Fenton coffee table. I cannot believe.
Look, disheveled, but it's my office chair. I'm excited.
Fantastic day. As you can see, there are no boxes here. I'm very excited for this chapter.
Right, can you tell we're moving? Surrounded by boxes, but very, very excited for this next chapter. 2 more sleeps in this home and we're moving.
All right, it is officially moving day. The car is jam-packed. I am so excited for this new home. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be a very hectic moving day, but that's always the case. So I'm gonna take you along for the day. I have not done a moving vlog in 2 years, but if you've been to my channel before, I have moved quite a few times. So this is not any new ballpark for me, but I'm very, very excited for this place. So come along, it's gonna be so much fun. We're gonna really make it a home and decorate it. But yeah, today's hectic moving day. Let's do it.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. We're in the new room. Happy moving day. I'm so excited. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, hello. A very exciting one today because we are moving into our dream apartment. So about to make this our home and I'm so excited. Oh, if you're new here, I'd love you to stick around. There'll be lots of moving vlogs and decorating, so make sure you hit that like, comment and subscribe. But it feels so good. I can't work out the lights yet, even though I've set up electricity, so I need to figure that out. But yeah, let's get moving. I'm gonna bring some boxes in. And then everyone will be here to help me very soon. I'm very excited for this chapter. All right, this is the update. Whew, let's do a time check. We started at 9, it's 1:30. We are actually nearly done. We have pretty much moved all our boxes. Last few things we need to do is like bed, desk, washing machines have arrived now. So yeah, we're doing this all by ourselves, which is a little bit crazy. But yeah, this is our spare room. The only thing I need to check if the electricity is finally working. I had a bit of an issue. Nothing. Anyway, let's keep moving and hope that turns on soon. I have been waiting and waiting near our electrical meter box for so long because we're waiting on someone to connect it properly. We've had a huge issue. So that has been the most annoying problem of today. So now I'm just in the apartment with all the boxes and I will wait for everyone else to come back with the bigger furniture, and fingers crossed as soon as possible a contractor is going to come and fix our power issue, because other than right here, the rest of the apartment is so dark. So if you, like, let me double check. I'm so scared someone's going to close. I need to make sure that door does not lock so that when the contractor comes, they can fix it. But I do not have the keys. Anyway, I'm going to sit here, relax, maybe organize a little bit, but that's about it. Moving day can never be 100% smooth, but we've done pretty good.
It is the morning and we have made some progress. We're unpacking, sorting. Feeling good. Chaos. Eugene is over on that little chair. I feel awful. This is the reality of moving. I need to shower. But yeah, successful. We have our power back on. Oh my God, I didn't update you on that, but whoa, that was insane. We'd fully given up hope. And at 8:30 p.m, we checked right before going to sleep. And it finally worked. Oh, That was insane and should not have been that difficult, but we did it. Anyway, I love my kitchen, specifically this bench. It is just so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Look how cute. These are my nanas. All right, I really forgot to show me actually doing all of this, but this is the living room update. I've just stuck all our decorations over there for now. And we brought our old couch over for the time being because we're potentially buying a couch that will take 8 to 10 weeks. And this definitely still kind of goes. And yeah, oh my gosh, looks disheveled. Oh. I'm going to make some breakfast and sort out my hair because I washed it and I haven't brushed it or dried it properly. So it's just chilling and I look like a hot mess. Oh my God, I actually can't take myself seriously. But yeah, oh, I have somewhere to relax for the time being and I'm gonna do that, I think, for a while because I've unpacked a lot. It is like 10:30 a.m. Started at about 6:30. Actually, it was like 6 a.m. because it was before Christian left for work. So it's time for us to relax, eat, and then, yeah, we'll wait for Christian to finish work. They're going to bring more furniture, do the bed. My gosh, I cannot believe we did this much. Make my oats, and I'm super excited. So maybe I will show you making my oats in my brand new kitchen. So much more like myself, just taking a little bit of time to rejuvenate amongst the unpacking, and as simple as just doing my hair. Oh, it's gonna make me feel brand new. Oh, that feels so much better. Just giving yourself a quick blow wave to feel a bit better. Just been sitting. If you can't tell, I'm also sick. Anyway, I put this mirror here and I feel like it looks way better because it's making the lounge room look so big. Even though it's fairly big, I just love this. And I can do my fit checks here. We still need to put this washing machine in, but minus the washing machine, I think it just opens up. A mirror always makes a space look even bigger. So we love that. So yeah, that is where we're at. So nice. Very at home already, which is so, so good. Considering I'm a bit sick from moving, I think it just got me. But yeah, I'm really glad I've unpacked a lot. The bedrooms, nowhere near. I haven't hung up any piece of clothing and that's okay. We will sort that out this week. But yeah, I'm gonna relax a little bit more and then Christian should finish work soon. And then we can fiddle around together and do more furniture. Good boy, your first meal in the new house. He's adjusting slowly. He loves the backyard because he can run around, go to the toilet, all the things. But he's just nervous every time he hears a noise at the moment because he's like, where the heck am I? But yeah, he's going pretty well. So that's a little update. I feel so much better after getting ready and relaxing. Then I can do some more this afternoon. My vanity has been delivered, so I'm going to try and put it together. I didn't even tell you guys we slept on the floor on our mattress last night because we're still waiting. But let's see if I can tackle this. Woohoo! These old things, we'll screw them in. We did it. I'm trying to screw. I have been trying to screw these legs on this TV. Temporary stand until we get like a TV for this living room properly. What on earth? That's so funny. That's just not right. Right, take two with this damn TV. I swear to God, if it still looks wrong, I give up for tonight. We did it. Okay, just started putting some things on the bookshelf, just like my favorites. All right, I gotta go.
I need. Fuck if I know.
All right, good morning, everyone. It is 6:50. Still a little bit sick, but definitely feeling a bit better today. And we are off to the gym. So that's what I'm doing. And then I feel like I need to give you house updates because we officially unpacked everything. And today is another big day of errand running. Like I gotta go pick up my coffee table that's ready to collect. And then I need to pick up my dress alteration for my engagement party this weekend. So there's like lots of little errands, but mainly got to get some household items and like put together the coffee table. So yeah, I will update you on all of that today. But first thing, we're gonna get back into routine because the last few days have been moving, unpacking, being sick. So now I'm off to the gym and we'll do a fun home day. Well, actually I'll be out of the house quite a bit, but we're buying lots of home stuff. So that's the plan. I love having this mirror here so much. Anyway, off to the gym. We're training legs. It's going to be a fantastic day. As you can see, there are no boxes here, which has got to be the best feeling after moving. So I'll update you later when we put in the coffee table. It's going to be a great day. Good morning, everyone. Another day in my beautiful home of this moving vlog. This lighting, not great, but that's a bit better. I'm quickly making my oats, and then I forgot to update you yesterday after picking up like my coffee table and a few little bits and pieces. So I'm going to show you that, and then I'm heading to the market because we need some groceries. And then over the next day or two, more furniture is arriving, like our bar stools and our bedside tables. So fingers crossed. But yeah, let's make these and then I'll show you. I am absolutely obsessed with our coffee table. That is my bowl of oats. Here's my naughty Eugene. It's okay. It's just a noise. So obviously the couch does not, don't eat my food. The couch still doesn't quite match the color, scheme and vibe, but it will do for now. It's just our old couch. But this Fenton and Fenton coffee table is gorgeous. I have not added too much to it yet, but there's so much room for like if you have a platter, but also just decorating it. It's like a really low, modern, smoky coffee table, and I feel like it just matches the colors that's in this built-in TV unit. The only other things I got were for the guest bathroom. I got this like two of these really lovely, the Reverence from Aesop. It's like an exfoliator at the same time. One of these like caramel diffusers, just so the guest bathroom always smells really nice. That's the update. All right, I just took my first consult in the new house and I had a delivery and I'm so excited. I feel like all our furniture has been coming so fast. I actually ordered bedside tables from here as well, so I'm surprised they weren't in the delivery, but anywho, they must be getting delivered separately. But it's my office chair. Let's open it up because couldn't be, I guess, perfect timing because I literally just was in my office working and I had to use like this little stool. So let's set up my chair. Yay. That looks so good. I mentioned I had deliveries coming today and I did not expect everything to come. Bedside tables, stools. I'm gonna wait on these ones, but I've started on the stools and I think it's semi-easy. So we're gonna temp that together. The office chair also, I haven't made any progress because I was busy sorting out the stuff for my engagement party, which is very exciting, but I have not finished the chair. But I've got Love Island on and we're gonna do the stools. So.
I think sometimes you overthink a lot, but
Did we do this? So it doesn't break? We did it! Woohoo! God, that was so easy. One done, 3 to go. Obsessed.
Right, bedroom update. The bed obviously got put together and the bedside tables. And I cannot believe how well I did at matching these bedside tables. They were off Temple & Webster. And I don't know if it's going to show, but it's like a taupey color with wood on top. It matches perfectly with the taupey colored built-in wardrobes. These built-in wardrobes are beautiful. Love that. So yeah, this color wardrobe matches perfectly with these bedside tables. You can dim the lighting and it's just so nice. Temple & Webster bedside tables. We've had this IKEA bed for like 4 years. It's got built-in drawers. It's so easy. There is no backboard, which I just find it's so easy and minimal for apartment living. And when you add like nice European pillows, I think that is stunning. All my bedding is from Sheet Society. I got all new sheets, pillowcases, chocolate brown doona cover, and then I already had this blanket, which is from Costco. So yeah, that is the bedroom update.
Things to unbox. I think some are like decorations for the house and some things, who knows. Oh yay, sticky roller things for our photo book at our engagement party tomorrow. Sticky bras for my engagement outfit. And then this, I'm excited. Porsche vibes. I'm really excited. This is to go on our coffee table, our beautiful big new Fenton & Fenton coffee table. And I just thought there needed to be a fun book on there and like maybe I'll slowly add to the collection. But I saw someone on Instagram had this and then I looked it up on Amazon and I found it. It was $80 and it's just full of Porsches, but I just think it's so cool.
I've just been editing this moving vlog and realized I have not really ended it because we had our engagement party on the weekend. So after a hectic moving week, it was straight into engagement party, which I'm gonna play some photos now. That was just the best night of my life. It went so much better and smoother than I could have thought, especially because I hadn't focused a lot on it because I was moving. So I just loved how seamless it was. So yeah, hope you enjoy some photos from our engagement party. I'm gonna end this moving vlog here before I do more home updates in like a future vlog. I have definitely added a few pieces. The house is even more organized, but for the most part, we are like fully settled, unpacked, loving this dream apartment. I love it so much. So I hope you enjoyed this moving vlog. If you've been on my channel for a while, I have moved so many times, but this one feels extra special. And I'm just living in my dream apartment. I feel so grateful and I love sharing my life with you guys, but also so I can look back on these videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I will update you on any changes to the apartment, my little knickknacks and homewares. Like I've rearranged the bookshelf already, all those little things, and like putting the spare room together in a future vlog. But thank you so much for being here. And as always, lots of love from Lilybelle Lives.